Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, from which I've been absent all day. And so I'm out of videos that I made ahead of time. I was really hungry and really tired. So I kind of concocted this vegan hamburger helper kind of thing here. I always keep some of the Barilla ready pasta in the pantry. It's already cooked. It comes in those blue envelopes. This is the elbow macaroni. I have some grillers, so I don't have any ground, so I took one of the grillers and just pinched it into little bits, put it in the pan, toasted it up just a little bit in a dry pan. Then I threw in the pasta with enough water just to cover the pasta. I added about, I think, a teaspoon of paprika, maybe more. It was just, there was some left in the bottom of the bottle, so I emptied the whole bottle into the pan. A pinch of ground chipotle, which adds a lot of spice and smoke. Some minced toasted onions, which you can't get minced toasted. You may be able to, I don't know, I don't. So I buy regular minced onions or onion flakes and toast them in a dry pan and keep those in my pantry because they taste good. I keep the plain untoasted and the toasted ones. Threw some of those in, mixed it all together, added some Violife cheese, melted it into the water, and I didn't have to add anything fancy. There's no plant milk in here or anything. Just turned the heat down to low and let it simmer till the cheese melted, and I have it served with a little bit, just a little garnish of parsley and a few of these really beautiful tomatoes they got in at the local store. They're selling like this great big heavy tray of them. They're all attached to the vine. For about, I think you get 15 of these for $3 or something. I don't know. They're practically all sold out. They're really delicious. I mean, I could tell they were going to be good just because I could smell them through the holes in the plastic. So that's just a little bit of garnish, so that it looks like I'm getting more than just vegan junk. My spoon's on the wrong side of the bowl. Of course, I've already tasted this. For seasoning, I find that the Violife cheese is so salty it doesn't need any extra salt, but you may find differently if you make something like this. So here we go. Cheesy chili hamburger helper, veganized. It's really good. I'm gonna eat this parsley too. I love parsley. You know, beautiful tomato wedge here. Oh, they're so nice and sweet. They're warm from sitting on top of the chili mac and cheese. So thank you for watching. Okay, one more bite right in the middle of it. I'm hungry. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for checking out the posts on my community tab. It's Monday night. I still have to put one up. This will go up Tuesday morning. I will have a recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description. I will also link to Sunday's video. Regular uploads. Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Pickles' birthday is coming up on a Wednesday. I'm going to have to do something. occasional cat videos on Catterday. As always, thank you for watching till the end. I think I've covered everything. Pretty much gave you the description of this thing. I'm so hungry I can't think. I'm sure I'm forgetting something. But anyway, if I am, I'll put it in the comments and I'll pin a comment. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. One more for the road. Mmm.